Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from Infinix in India, the Infinix S5 Lite. So Infinix had launched the Infinix S5 with punch hole camera in the display a few weeks back. Now we have the light variant of the Infinix S5. So basically the S5 Lite is a slightly stripped down variant of the Infinix S5 with downgrades in terms of the camera, so that's where the Infinix S5 and S5 Lite has a major difference. This also has 464 variant, so that's pretty good, and this is also powered by the Helio P22 octa-core processor, and it also has the 4000 mAh capacity battery, XOS 5.5 based on Android 9 Pie, and this also has the fingerprint sensor and face unlock, so all those things are remaining the same. So the major difference is the camera. So it also has a 6.55 inches HD plus Infinity O display, and it also has 90% screen to body ratio, and 2.5D glass is included, and it has AI camera. So this is a triple rear camera setup on the back panel, and the front panel it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So the Infinix S5 had a 32 megapixel selfie camera and quad rear cameras. Here we have triple camera, so the functionality has also been changed to here we have 16 megapixel primary camera, then it's a 5p optical lens, and the secondary camera is a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a third low light sensor is included, unlike the Infinix S5 which had a wide angle camera and a macro lens was included. So that's the major difference between these two devices. Now let's do the unboxing. So this is the box package. So Infinix S5 Lite. So back of the box mentions the specifications. So you can see that 16.76 inches, that's 6.6 inches Infinity O display, low light selfie camera, AI triple rear cameras, battery capacity is 4000 mAh, 3D face beauty, face unlock, and fingerprint scanner is included. So this is made in India device. So we're not really sure about the pricing. It could be around 8,999 or 8,000 rupees. So that we have to wait and see once the device gets launched in India. So that's the box package. So let's open the box package and we'll show you the device. So opening up the box package, we have the Infinix S5 Lite on the top. So you can see the specifications were already mentioned once again. So 3-day battery life, AI triple cameras, and you can see that the back is also slightly changed. We have the curved finishing on the Infinix S5. Now we have a flat back panel. We have a triple slot. You can see that the slot is 2 SIM cards and an SD card. So we have the triple rear camera. So it is a 16 megapixel primary camera. Then we have a low light sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor is included. That's the camera setup, and this has a SAR value of less than 1.6. So that's what it is mentioned. So that's the SAR value, and this device also comes in different colors. So we have the blue variant here. Now let's see how the hardware buttons stack up. So we have the power button on the right side along with the volume keys. So the bottom section has the micro USB charging slot, the speaker, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The top panel does not have any openings or slots. So let's just peel off these stickers so we can see this is the Infinix S5 Lite, the Lite variant. So we have the fingerprint scanner included, and this is a quad LED flash is included. That's something which Infinix includes on all the smartphones. So now you also have a punch hole camera. It's a 16 megapixel punch hole camera, and 6.6 inches HD plus resolution display. So let's boot the device. So in the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box package. So opening up the box package, we have the standard charging cable. It's a micro USB charging cable which is included. Then we have the adapter. So the adapter voltage rating is again standard, which is 5 volt 1.2 amperes. So it's not even 10 watt charging. It's around 7 watt charging. So it's 5 volt 1.2 ampere charging. That's the one included. Now it's in fact 6 watt charging. Then you also get some other manual and warranty information. Then we have the SIM ejector pin included, and you also get the user manual, and there is a case included. So you can see that this is the case which we saw on the Infinix budget smartphones as well. So you can see the pattern included in the back panel, which actually feels quite good in terms of the finishing. So that's the back panel which is included in the box package. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device. It has a 6.6 inches HD plus resolution display. Again, see the display quality looks pretty good. is similar to other Infinix smartphones. It's a quite good display out there. The sharpness levels are also quite acceptable for a budget smartphone. You can also see the punch hole camera here. So that's the punch hole camera, and let's also go to the settings panel, and I will just show you what all options it offers. So you can see the punch hole camera, and you can see that this device offers Android 9 Pie, and this is the XOS. So we have some additional options for theming, some customization options are included, so gestures are supported, game center is also included. So these things are available in all the Infinix smartphones, so this also includes that. Now let's have a look at the camera UI. So this is the camera. You can see that this device has a quad, or in fact it has a triple rear camera. So AI camera is there, video recording. Let's see the video recording. So 1080p resolution is the video recording, and beauty, bokeh mode, all those things are included. We also have HDR mode included, and the selfie camera is a 16 megapixel shooter. So here are some samples taken with the Infinix S5 Lite with a triple rear camera setup. So we'll be doing a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. Now the Infinix S5 Lite also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, which is having a pretty good capacity, and the company claims a battery life of 3 days, but in fact even if you don't get 3 days, you're sure to get like 1.5 to 2 days of battery life, which should be really good enough if you're a person who wants a really great battery life, or if you're a person who travels a lot. So this is the unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix S5 Lite. We are not really sure about the pricing, so once we get the pricing, we'll update in the title and then in the description of this video. So Infinix S5 Lite is a pretty good option available in this sub 10k price segment with the Helio P22 octa-core processor and 4GB RAM and 64GB storage being offered by default. So that's the Infinix S5 Lite. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Vimal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.